Hi, thanks for watching and welcome to this video tutorial on requesting ratings when you're part of an organizational team. We start in Skillrater by clicking on Request Rating and then begin with Step 1, defining your task, activity, project, or goal. The people who rate you will see this as what you wish to be rated on. Each rater who you select will receive an email saying this specific task, activity, project, or goal is what you're requesting feedback on. Now, the activity I'm involved in right now is demonstrating Skillrater, and I'm creating a video and description of that. When I want to select a skill, I should always select a team skill when I'm on a team. If you're part of multiple teams, you'll want to find the team that you're on first, and then you'll see the skills related to that particular team. For the sake of this video tutorial, let's choose the BPI team. The skills for that team come up, and I'll ask for a rating on a couple of those skills that pertain to this activity. I'll select Effective Communication and Execution Skills. Step 3 is where I select the team members I wish to receive feedback from. There are several ways to select raters: system users, team company, LinkedIn, Gmail. You can paste a list in, type one in, or pull in a CSV file. Since this video is about teams, I'll select the team company icon. The BPI team is the top of the list for me, so now I can select those team members I want feedback from. I'll select just this one, Lewis Carter here, of course. You could select any or all the team members. Now it's time to set permissions. And once again, there's an obvious choice for this example. In the drop-down, I'll select My Teams and then select the BPI team. What the permission does is allow members of that team to see that particular rating. Then you can collaborate within the team, discuss ratings, and find ways to get better together. Then it's a simple matter to click Send Request. This sends the request via email to the raters selected earlier. This next step is to rate yourself. The reason you rate yourself is so that when you receive ratings from others, you can compare your own perceptions versus those who give you a rating on a specific activity. In this case, of course, creating this video tutorial. Let's start with appreciation. I appreciate this demonstration of Skillrater because I'm being clear about what I like others to know about in order to make the best use of the tool on a company team. And then I'll rate myself, and notice as I hover the mouse over the stars, you can very carefully give yourself half-star ratings in the process. Next, I'll enter my advice. I'll ask for feedback from others as to whether or not I was clear in this video tutorial. Then just press Submit. Now it's logging my self-rating. And here you see it. You can clearly see a spider chart. Here it will just show my rating, of course, since we just did it. The skill chart will just show one point in time for how I rated myself. When I re-rate myself, it will show another point in time and show that change. I can invite more users to rate, I can view the comments from others, and of course, now we just have my advice, but soon we'll see details from other people who answer the rating. Which brings me now to collaboration. So I took a short break in the video, and now I have a rating that's come in. Now once this happens, I go to Collaborate. Lewis answered my rating request and gave me pretty good ratings here on effective communication and execution skills. He also gave me advice and his perception or understanding of the results achieved. Now I can respond. For example, I could say, "Thank you. What could I really do better to effectively communicate the use of Skillrater?" Through this collaboration, I'm learning from this individual. He'll answer me and let me know of any other comments. It's this kind of collaboration that's very important with raters. So that's how to request ratings, rate, and then collaborate from a team perspective. And remember, when I say team, a team is usually made up of you and your coworkers. What's nice is you can go back to your team. Let's choose the BPI team in this case, of course, and you can see all of the various discussions that are happening on your team. Select members and speak with them back and forth by contacting them. You can look at any system files, look at ratings that have been asked for them by the system administrator. There are always live feeds here as well. Thanks for watching, and look for more video tutorials from Skillrater.